What do BMW, Tesla and Volkswagen all have in common with GWM and BYD? The answer I'm thinking of might surprise you. All of these brands now offer models with GT tyres, standard fit right from the factory. That includes models overseas and some available in Australia today, like the BYD Shark 6. Not just these manufacturers either, as well as Peugeot and some of the fastest growing car makers in China like LDV, Chery and MG are choosing GT tyres as standard equipment for some models. It's a big deal for a car maker to approve a tyre brand for factory fitment, and it often means that engineers from both companies have worked closely together. In this video, I'll introduce you to GT Tyre, a new brand bringing global engineering to the real world with safe, reliable and affordable tyres for the Australian driver. I'll also share some fun facts that really surprised me, including one that goes nearly 500 kilometres per hour. Although seemingly new to Australia, GT has a long history and has been recognised as the fastest growing tyre brand in recent evaluations. Headquartered in Singapore, the GT tyre success story began even before the original Mini Cooper was released. Founded in 1951, GT Tyre started making bicycle tyres before expanding into passenger vehicles in the 80s. Now, GT is the 8th most valuable tyre brand in the world, according to the latest brand finance data. GT continues to have recognised strong growth thanks to an increase in original equipment contracts, passing the stringent engineering, performance and quality tests of car manufacturers. In fact, GT is now the #1 OE tyre supplier in the largest car manufacturing market in the world. A global engineering powerhouse, today GT produces tyres for passenger cars, SUVs, EVs, off-roaders, trucks, buses and, my personal favourite, racing cars. Now let's talk engineering. GT Tyres operates 4 research and development centres and 1 tyre testing facility strategically established around the world. GT employs over 800 specialist personnel at its R&D centres across USA, China, Indonesia and Germany. That includes GT's own proving ground in Indonesia, the largest in Southeast Asia. The R&D network is the backbone of GT's collaborative efforts with a growing number of car manufacturers. GT has secured and maintains more than 675 ongoing projects, with around 175 focused on electric vehicles. So it's been chosen by more car companies for factory fitment. Its tyres are backed by 75 years of engineering and its quality is verified to global standards, including the International Organisation for Standardisation, or ISO. But while researching this script, what really caught my attention was GT's involvement with the world's fastest production car. I only know of 2 tyre brands that have ever been trusted for fitment on a road car that can do more than 450 kilometres per hour. One of them is Michelin, the other is GT. In September 2025, the electric Yangwang U9 Extreme hypercar hit 496.22 kilometres per hour at the ATP Automotive Papenburg test track in Germany. It was on GT tyres rated at 500 kilometres per hour. Yangwang and GT beat the Bugatti Chiron Supersport and Michelin to become the world's fastest production car and tyre. The standard Yangwang U9 comes with Pirellis, but for the Extreme to hit nearly half the speed of sound, Yangwang has to fit the GTs. Along with quietly engineering the most advanced performance tyres the world has ever seen, GT engineers are also fond of endurance tests. The brand has taken part in the Nürburgring 24-hour for more than 10 years and won its class in various GT3 race cars. GT tyres are also standard fitment for the Volkswagen ID Buzz, the one that's currently attempting a Guinness World Record for most countries visited in an EV. The target is 75, and all on the one type of GT tyres, the GT Synergy H2. I can confirm they've already survived Australia. So next time your car needs tyres, consider GT. Tyres are often called the most important part of your vehicle. So while you might not be doing 450 kilometres per hour or needing to travel around the globe, it's good to know that the tyre brand keeping you on the road has done both. And as GT appears as standard fitment on more new cars in Australia, I'm sure you'll be hearing plenty more from this engineering trailblazer.